A very happy and cheerful morning to all my dear students. I hope you all are fine at home and taking care of your health. So we are back with our social studies class. And in the last class, what were we doing? Chapter number 2, Knowing Our Earth. Let's do a quick recap. In the last class, we studied about the directions. There are 4 directions: north, south, east, west. Okay? Then we studied about the oceans. And today we will start with the new topic. Now, in Earth, in the globe also, what we saw? That the blue part is ocean. It shows water. यानी कि हमारा अर्थ जो है उसमें बहुत सारा वाटर कंटेंट है. Okay, the proportion of water is very much. But we live on land, right? So here is a picture of a world map, and you can see this blue area is what? This is your ocean. But there are some areas with different colors. See, there is green, orange, there is red. So what are all these? These are known as the continents. That is, these areas, what are they? They are the land masses. इस पूरे water areas में जो आपको ये different colors की area दिख रही है, they are land masses. In land masses पे हम रहते हैं. Okay? Now see, we live in India. Okay? And India comes under the continent of Asia. What is it? Asia. In the same way, there are different continents that we will see now in the video. Let's go.
Continents. Miss Sophie, now look at the different colored areas. These are land masses. Large land masses are called continents. Neeraj, ma'am, my father told me that we live in the continent of Asia. Are there many more continents? Miss Sophie, yes, there are 7 continents. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Europe, Australia and Antarctica. Australia is the smallest continent and Asia is the largest. Continents are further divided into smaller parts called countries. Our country, India, is a part of Asia. Find out from your parents about your relatives and friends living in other continents.
Now, exactly the same thing Miss Soni told. What did she told? That these colored ones in the map, they are the continents. And we live in continents. So, as I told, India comes in the continent of Asia. So, in all there are 7 continents. I will tell the name again. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, then Australia, Europe and Antarctica. Okay, these are the 7 names of the continents. You should remember it. It is very important. And out of them, Australia is the smallest continent and Asia, in which we live, is the largest. Is it clear? Now, if you want to practice more about the continents, what you can do is, if you have relatives who live in different parts of the world, that is otherwise, that is in abroad, Australia or you say New York, so what you can do, try to find out their continents. Where is their continent? These continents, they are further divided into smaller parts. Okay? अब ये जो continents होते हैं, ये smaller parts में divide होते हैं and they are known as countries. Now see, Asia is a big continent. Okay? Asia बहुत बड़ा continent है and India is a country. So Asia को हमने further divide किया एंड छोटे छोटे पार्ट्स में एंड उसमें से एक हमारी कंट्री इंडिया आती. इज दैट क्लियर? Continent is what? The large land masses and the continent which is divided further, it becomes what? Country. Now, let's move on.
Antarctica. Australia is the smallest continent and Asia is the largest. Continents are further divided into smaller parts called countries. Our country, India, is a part of Asia. Find out from your parents about your relatives and friends living in other continents. Compass. Neeraj, how can we find directions? Miss Soni, a compass is used to find directions. It looks like a watch. The needle of the compass.
Now see, we know that it is important to know directions, and with the help of directions, we can find out things. But sometimes we may get confused as to how to find directions. हम directions को कैसे find out करें? So this is a compass. You can look at the picture. This is a device used to find out the directions. The needle of the compass always points towards the north. Okay? Needle जो है वो हमेशा north side में रहता है. Now, let's see the history about the compass.
Compass always points towards the north. Sailors use a compass to find their way in the huge and deep oceans. There are no signboards for directions. They sail all around the world with the help of the compass. If they get lost in the ocean, they look for the north and the compass, and then they understand the other directions and their correct position.
Now see children, what is it?
North.
In past time, that is in earlier time, what happened? That the sailors, mainly because of sailors, this device got developed. क्या होता था? Sailors कौन होते हैं? They go on ships and it takes many days and sometimes even months. So they live on the ship and they have to find out the direction. Now see, in the seas, अब seas में क्या होता है? दूर दूर तक आपको तो सिर्फ water दिखता है. So how will you be able to know where is north, where is south and where is our destination? हमें जहाँ पहुँचना है, how will we be able to know? So for that, these sailors use the compass. With the help of the compass, they find out the directions and then they move accordingly. So this was the use of compass, and also with the help of compass, what we can do, we can find out directions. Not only the sailors but we also. हम तो generally अब Google के through कर लेते हैं, but sailors जो है mainly वो use करते हैं because sometimes they may not get network also. Network नहीं होगा, so how to find out? This device is very useful for them. Is it clear, children? So with this we had completed our chapter number 2, Knowing Our Earth. Now let's move on to worksheets. This is your worksheet number 3. Answer the following in short. Write the meanings. Now you can write it in your own words. There is absolutely no problem, but it should be correct. Compass, map and atlas. Name the 7 continents. How does the compass work? And what are countries? So I hope the chapter is clear to all of you. Still, if you have any doubts, you can contact me. So till that, take care of your health. Goodbye, students. May God bless you.